Voting ended at 6 p.m. sharp in all the 36 seats that went for by-polls today. Barring some incidents of sporadic violence in West Bengal, voting was largely peaceful. Around 56% votes were polled in Mainpuri Lok Sabha seat, where Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav and his wife MP wife Dimple Yadav cast their votes, while 70% votes were cast in Assam. The poll percentage in Medak Lok Sabha seat was 65. An average of over 47.6% voters cast their franchise across 10 assembly segments in Gujarat. Vadodara recorded 42.7% voting. In West Bengal, voting was held for Basirhat South and Chaurangi seat amidst fierce clashes were reported between TMC workers and CPIM cadres. By-polls concluded in 3 Lok Sabha and 33 assembly segments across 10 states. These polls being watched closely as the results will not only test the popularity of respective state governments but also of the BJP, which held many of these seats.
Modi's crucial by-poll test. 3 Lok Sabha seats and 33 assembly segments. Can he sustain his magic? The by-polls for 2 assembly seats in West Bengal in the shadow of Mamata's alleged links with Sarda Ponzai scam. The voting taking an ugly turn during the day. Fierce clashes between TMC workers and CPIM cadres in the Chaurangi assembly segment.
এবং এই তিন দলের সিপিএম বিজেপি এবং কংগ্রেস তার ক্রমাগত উৎসাহ এবং অপপ্রচারের বিরুদ্ধে মানুষ ইতিমধ্যেই তাদের ভোটাধিকার প্রয়োগ করেছেন। বসিরহাটে আমি যতদূর খবর পেলাম ৭৪% মতন, এটা এখনো অসমর্থিত খবর যতটুকু পেয়েছি।
In Uttar Pradesh, the stakes especially high for Samajwadi Party and the BJP. The by-polls being seen as the big semi-final between the two parties ahead of 2017 assembly polls. A convincing victory for the BJP would relieve the party, which is still hurting from the drubbing in the recently concluded by-polls in Bihar, Uttarakhand and Karnataka. For the Samajwadi Party, a good performance will go a long way in boosting the morale of party cadres. The bid also to launch a third-generation Yadav in the political fray by these polls.
वो ऑलरेडी एसएफआई में ब्लॉक प्रमुख के ऑलरेडी ब्लॉक प्रमुख हैं और बहुत ही रिस्पॉन्सिव हमारे कैंडिडेट हैं। तो पहली बार तो चुनाव में नहीं आए हैं, लेकिन हम लोग बहुत पॉजिटिव हैं कि बहुत भारी मतों से जीत के आए हैं।
I am hopeful that the margin will be larger this time than the previous one. But in Modi's wave, there was no polarization here. Now there is no question of polarization whatsoever.
The seat vacated by Prime Minister Modi saw its fair share of controversy. Row over Congress's Vadodara candidate's attempt to emulate Modi's selfie act.
हमें चुनाव से ज्यादा लगाव नहीं है। ये चुनाव वडोदरा की प्रजा के से ज्यादा नहीं है। मैंने चुनाव प्रचार बंद कर दिया और मैंने लोगों की सेवा की है।
The by-polls in 36 seats, a crucial test for Prime Minister Modi and his chief strategist Amit Shah. The semi-final ahead of key assembly elections in Maharashtra and Haryana later this year. With Indrajit Kundu and Amir Haq, Bureau Report, Headlines Today.